Sup people, Henry here. I want to say thank you for clicking on my video. As you can see, I've officially gone off the deep end. I've ordered some seeds. I've ordered seeds from Botanical Interests, and I want to show you which ones I bought. I have some sweet banana peppers, some black beauty eggplants, tomato pole cherries, the sweetie kind, and also the sun golds. I also have a sweet pepper blend. Here's an update on my squash plants. This is about a week after the first treatment, and as you can see, there's still some dying leaves. Some other leaves look a little off, but they're still growing. And as you can see at the end, there's some new growth buds showing up all over the stem, which is really exciting. It's letting me know that the treatment is actually working. It's only been about 7 to 8 days since the last time I treated them. Here's the second plant. It's showing the same effects. Some of the leaves are still dying, but I am getting new growth at the top, which is very exciting. While checking the buds, I also noticed that there are some flower buds. They're hanging right off the main stem, and there's plenty of them. They're all over. Here I was just checking the second plant to see if it developed any buds. Besides the new growth at the top, I didn't really notice any flower buds or any other leaf buds anywhere else. Here's a quick look at how the plant looks overall. It's pretty short and stunted compared to the first one, but the leaves do look a lot more healthy. As I mentioned before, I went off the deep end, so here's the potting materials that I bought. I started off by putting the potting mix into a tray. Then I just sprayed it with some water just to get it moist before putting it into the seed tray. Here's the seed tray that I bought from Amazon. I've numbered it on the sides because I didn't have any labels. So this was my idea of how to track what I'm putting where. After filling the seed tray evenly, I put in the seeds. And one interesting thing I noticed, the bell pepper blend, the seeds were different colors. I never noticed that before. I'm not sure if that's just this seed pack or if all bell peppers have different color seeds. After filling the tray, I took a handful of potting mix and I just sprinkled it over the top just to cover the seeds, trying not to put them in too deep. After covering the seeds, I sprayed the top with some water. I also poured some water into the bottom tray just so that the bottom of the potting mix also got moist. And last thing I did was put the humidity dome over the top. I'm not sure if all this is needed, but it's what I saw in the video, so I just followed instructions. And here's a random potato that I had in the kitchen. I'm going to see if I can sprout it and maybe grow some potatoes. I don't know. Let's see if it works. I'm just gonna put the potato into this bottom of a cut water bottle. I want to see if maybe this will help the eyes sprout. Here's the setup that I have. It's just some LED grow lights, a Vivo sun heating mat, and I'm just gonna put the trays on top and then the potato at the back. I'm not sure if this is appropriate for the potato, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Here's what it looks like a couple days later. I'll keep you guys updated on how my seeds and potato go, but for now, thanks for watching, and let's see what we can grow together.